Hi everyone, today we have to discuss about the concept of spectral properties of metal complexes. Let us consider color of transition metal complexes. As we know that the coordination compounds are colored in nature. This can be explained on the basis of crystal field theory. According to this theory, in the presence of ligands, what happens? The d orbitals of the metal ion can split up into two sets of orbitals, namely T2g and Eg orbitals. When the molecule absorbs the radiation or else absorbs a photon of visible light, what happens? One or more electron may excite from ground state to excited state. And this type of transition is known as d-d transition, which means the transition occurs within the d orbitals. That is what we say. This is d-d transition. Got it? Then the energy difference between the atom in the ground state and in the excited state is equal to the energy of the absorbed photon and related inversely to the wavelength of light, which means the energy difference between the ground state and excited state that exactly equal to the energy of the absorbed photon and inversely related to the wavelength of absorbed light. Got it? The color that we observe for a complex, got it? The color that we observe for a complex, which is complementary to the color observed by the complex. And you know the difference between observed colored and observed radiation, got it? Then the color of the complexes is not only depends on the transition but also depends on ligand strength or presence of different ligands. If we have weak field ligands, what happens? Weak field ligands create a complex with smaller delta, which means it creates the smaller crystal field splitting, which will absorb light of longer wavelength and thus produce lower frequency. Conversely, in the presence of strong field ligands, what happens? It creates larger delta, which means large CFSE value, right? And absorbs light of shorter wavelength and thus produces higher frequency. Got it? And this is the relationship between the observed color and observed radiation. Got it? Let us consider one simple example here, that is titanium aqua complexes. It is an octahedral complexes. Note it down, it's an octahedral complexes. Here, according to crystal field theory, for octahedral complexes, we have T2g is the ground term and Eg is the excited term, or T2g is the ground orbital and Eg is the excited orbital, or T2g is the lower energy orbital and Eg is the higher energy orbital. So it is purple violet in color and the color of the complex can be explained on the basis of CFT. So here we have titanium is the metal and which is D1 system. D1 means in d orbital it contains only one electron. Got it? So the only one d electron occupies one of the T2g orbital as shown in the diagram. In the presence of visible light, what happens? It absorbs a photon of energy of wavelength at 493 nanometer, which is corresponds to blue-green region of electromagnetic spectrum, and electron jump takes place from T2g to Eg orbital. That is what we say. The transition occur between the T2g to Eg orbital. So that the color observed is blue-green. The complementary color, that is purple violet for these complexes. And here we have the weak field ligand, so that we get smaller delta value. Got it? And consider one more example here, cobalt aqua complexes. It is also an octahedral complexes. According to CFT, T2g is the ground term and Eg is the excited term. So here also we have weak field ligand, so that we get a smaller splitting delta. Here in case of cobalt, we have 6d electrons, so that in T2g orbital we have 4 electron and Eg 2 electron, so that here also the excitation takes place from T2g to Eg orbital. So the color observed is blue, green, yellow, and complementary color for this complex is violet. And consider one more example. This is tetrahedral complexes. tetrahedral complexes and having blue color, and here the metal is cobalt. For this complex we have 7 electron in the orbital, but according to CFT, for tetrahedral complexes the splitting of orbitals is different. Here Eg is the ground term and T2g is the excited term, and the transition takes place from Eg to T2g orbital, so that the color observed is red and complementary color of this complex is blue. This is about the spectral properties of metal complexes.